Hi, and welcome to another presentation from your business tutor, learning your way, anytime, anywhere. Promotional strategies can have a huge influence on the purchasing decisions that people make. It is therefore essential that adverts and sales promotions meet certain standards so that consumers are treated fairly and not misled. So with that point made, let's introduce today's presentation on ethical marketing. So what are we going to learn in today's presentation? Well, first of all, we're going to learn about the importance of promotion, and then we're going to investigate what ethical marketing is. Okay, let's get started by asking, why is promotion important? Promotion describes how a business informs its customers about its products so that they are persuaded and convinced to purchase them. However, although this process sounds straightforward, it is anything but that. This is because in an incredibly crowded marketplace, where customers are bombarded continually with promotional messages, it is very difficult to stand out. This is why promotion is so important, because if a business can communicate its marketing message in an effective and exciting manner, it will be able to influence the purchasing decisions of consumers. What this demonstrates is that having a great product is not enough. A business must be able to persuade customers to purchase if it wants to succeed. As such, developing a promotion strategy that taps into the market and the customers a business is trying to target is crucial. Given this, it is vital that a business undertake high-quality market research to gain such an understanding so that they can develop an effective and successful promotional strategy. Okay, let's now move on to look at what ethical marketing is. Ethical marketing describes a situation where a business promotes and advertises its products in a fair, ethical and legal way. This is an important point because although most organisations will do this, there are a small number of unscrupulous businesses that use dishonest and illegal measures. Given this, it is worth finding out what an ethical marketing approach would involve by initially looking at advertising. In this area, if a business wants to operate ethically, it must ensure any advert it runs is truthful, not offensive and not discriminatory. For example, a business should not advertise free delivery anywhere in the UK if this is not actually available. In fact, if such an issue is identified, the Advertising Standards Agency, the ASA, can investigate, and if a breach is identified, an advert can be banned and the broadcaster that ran it fined. Equally though, ethical marketing also covers sales promotions offered by a business, in that they must be real and not misleading. For example, if a competition offers a car as a prize, this must be available for winning. However, if an issue is identified, trading standards can investigate, and if a breach has occurred, action can be taken against the business. Having said all that, ethical marketing goes even further than what has been discussed, as it is not just about a business working within the law, but it going above and beyond what is expected. For example, under the law, it may be legal to advertise a product, such as a chocolate bar, that children would be interested in. However, as kids can be easily persuaded, a business following an ethical marketing approach may decide that any advert it runs will not include any young people, so that it doesn't directly target that age group. Okay, so what did we learn in this presentation? Well, first of all, we found out about the importance of promotion, and then we went on to investigate what ethical marketing is. Following an ethical marketing approach should never be a choice for a business. However, for those who do not wish to treat customers fairly, it is clear that procedures are in place to deal with organisations that breach the rules so that consumers are adequately protected.